So, to review, a good goal is one you've chosen autonomously. It is intrinsically satisfying, it expresses your identity, and it is a fit between whatever your resources are right then and your motivations, your needs, and your values. What happens with bad goals? Well, we know when people set really unrealistic goals for themselves, they have greater rates of depression and report extremely high levels of stress. Motivation is one of the holy grails of psychology. If we could have some magic bullet to motivate people, we would be able to cure all sorts of challenges we have. Procrastination would be a thing of the past. Goal setting is one of the few ways we know to really increase our motivation. When you set that right goal for yourself, you will work harder and longer to overcome numerous obstacles and get that thing done. When you set the right goal for yourself, you get to increase your well-being. You get to increase your opportunity to feel like you belong on campus, to connect with other people, and to really thrive.